Hi everyone, this is your playback singer Bhargavi Pillai and welcome back to my channel once again. So I know, this video was supposed to be the part 2 video and which was supposed to be uploaded way long back. But as usual, I had chopped this and the rushes got deleted. I don't know how come. So I'm so excited to be shooting this video for you guys again. And people who know me up and close, they know how much I am obsessed and mad about fragrances. And here I am reshooting actually, let me get that straight again, reshooting part 2 video of my perfume collection. So let's not make this intro any more longer and let's straight away dive into the video. And before that guys, you know the drill very well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it among your friends and family, and do follow me on all my social media handles where I'm going to be putting the pop-up somewhere here. So to my bad luck, I have only 6 high-end perfume guys right now with me, and let me start off with one of my favorites, and I'm always going to be rebuying this. This is one of my favorites. It's by Issey Miyake. It's called Please Please. And if you would have watched my earlier videos on my eyeshadow palette collection and my makeup collection in general, I don't know, I have this thing of storing everything of mine in the cardboardy box as how it comes. So some of my friends, they find it really surprising and kind of funny, but I don't know, it's just my habit. So this is how the packaging looks, and for me, the most important thing when it comes to fragrances is that it has to be long lasting, like really long lasting. For me, like when I enter a room, no Astro, this is bad for you. So for me, like before I enter, it's my perfume which needs to enter. So this is one of my favorite perfumes. There is one more perfume which I would probably leave a picture because that perfume has gotten over and I would be surely rebuying that. But right now I have to like get rid of all these and then only I can think of buying that. So this is one of the first one. It's by Issey Miyake. It's called the Please Please. Yes, Astro, what you want? What you want, Astro? Then the next up is this is by Elie Saab. It's called the Resort Collection, and I just buy my perfumes at random places. So this I feel was from one of the lifestyle shops. I don't know, but from where? And this I bought from the US, and this again smelled so good. So every time I've sprayed this, like a lot of people have stopped me and asked me like, can we know like what have you got on you? So this is like again a very strong perfume, and you know, to my surprise, it sounds very funny. Like certain perfumes, like if I have ended up using it and my friends are using the same, it won't even last on my body for more than 2 hours. Like 2 hours is also too much, so not even like an hour or so, and on them it would be like really long lasting. So that's how funny it is. So yep. So the next one is this is Daisy Love by Marc Jacobs. Look at the packaging. I just fell in love with the packaging. For me, even packaging, I'm a big time sucker on packaging. So I fell in love with how the perfume bottle looks, and it looks so cute once when you place it on your vanity. So, and it's a Marc Jacobs, so it has to smell good. Post that is this perfume. It's called Sky, and this is by Giorgio Armani. And this is again, see if you see, in spite of, you know, I actually bathe in perfumes. Like I don't even like just, I have some of my friends, they would just be like 2 spritz and they're done, but I bathe myself with perfume, and in spite of using so much, I still have so much more to go. So this is again an amazing perfume, but the only drawback is it's not long lasting. Like probably like I can smell the fragrance on my body only for like 2 or 3 hours and not beyond that. So I have to keep respraying this. And then this is like a latest add-on to my collection. This is by Louis Vuitton, and oh my god, like I got this as a gift, and my god, you have to see. The packaging looks amazing. It comes with a magnetic, what do you say, capping, and oof, this smells divine. And this turned out to be a very long-lasting perfume. Like I sprayed it the other day, and even the next day when I woke up, I could still smell this on my body. So hats off to Louis Vuitton. Oof, this is really good. And then last but not the least is one of my favorites, and I feel in 2019 or 18 this had won the fragrance award, and this is Gucci Bloom, and oh my god, this again smells insanely good. And actually it reminds me of that Mallipu. I don't know, like in South India, Mallipu is something what like the Gajra. Yes, the Gajra flowers what generally you will find ladies putting on their bun. So it smells somewhat like that. And again, this particular perfume, every time I've got this on me, a lot of people have asked me like what have I got. So this is one of my all-time favorite. And another perfume which I don't have it right now, but I'm going to be putting a picture, that is by Lancome, and that is, I feel, the only perfume which I can smell on my body for literally 2 to 3 days, like if I've sprayed that on me. And I would definitely be buying this once when I have, you know, like I finished this entire lot. So this was it, a very teeny meeny collection of my perfumes. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope Astro you also liked it. So till then guys, you know what you have to do. So be good, take good care of yourself, and love you loads guys.